All right, everybody, time to put on your detective hats because you are about to become a sound detective. Case number 1. In a crowded room, someone drops a clue right next to you. Can you hear them clearly? With your hearing aids, you can focus on their voice and solve the mystery. Case number 2. You hear a soft tapping. Is it a dripping faucet or a ticking clock? Your hearing aids help you pinpoint the sound. Case number 3. You hear a low growl. Could it be a bear? Knowing exactly where it's coming from keeps you safe. So, detective, what's your latest case? Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite sound mystery. Don't forget to like, follow, and share.